They have those 4 jars over there. They're doing settling tests of the basins you'll see out there. So each one of the basins has solids in it. So we put, all we do is we put the raw sewage just coming into it, and it mixes up and aerates, and then it'll settle to different levels like that. So when you see the basin out there, you can't see the solids sitting down there, but I just like kind of help you imagine what's going on. So when you see the basins, and say like this one here might be ready to decant the water off, there's a floating decanter out there I'll point out to you, and the decanter will just open up and it'll draw the water off to a certain fixed level, and the solids down at the bottom, they'll just sit there and wait. And then when that basin's turn comes around, the raw sewage will fill that basin up, and it'll come on, it'll mix, and then it'll settle, we'll draw the water up, and it just continues doing that. Each basin fills and empties 5 times a day, and it's all by computer program. There's 20 valves that are being operated to keep everything going. So also in here there's bacteria. If we had we have a decent, I don't know if you want to see the bacteria underneath the
Sure.
screen.
Yeah.
It's kind of slow, but it's kind of interesting.
You can take number 1.
Is there there's
a slide right there. The top cover is broken.
So while he's getting that ready, what kind of mixture is this? This isn't pure substance, right?
It's a suspension.
It is a suspension, yes. Versus a colloid. Versus a solution. And how do we know it's a suspension?
As you can see there.
Because you let it sit there for a while and it settles out. Particles are so big they settle out.
That's it. That's what's doing hard. That's what we rely on. So our whole job is to make. You'll see there's actually bugs in it. We just call them bugs because
Microinvertebrates or macroinvertebrates?
Or we're hoping for micro.
Okay.
No, we look at them. There are some. We have everything from free swimming ciliates to rotifers to water bears. Sometimes
they got water bears? Tardigrades?
Tardigrades!
They're the coolest, right?
Well, let's hope we can see a tardigrade.
Are they the most ubiquitous creatures?
Yes, that's good. If aliens were to come to our planet, they're like a million tardigrades to one of us. They could logically say, this is the planet of the tardigrades, not us. They've lasted through all 5 mass extinctions. We wouldn't make it through the next one, but they'll still be around.
Does everybody know what a tardigrade looks like?
Water bear?
Oh, we gotta get pictures. Those are wild.
That's the tardigrade.
That's a tardigrade, water bear.
Marge, what are we looking at here? We're looking at sewage organisms, and this is Acanthamoeba. Those are the same. Acanthamoeba, Protleopodium, Amoebocyst, and Amoebocyst. So, got 3 Acanthamoebas, 3 Protleopodiums, and 2 Amoebocysts.
Do you want to elaborate on that?
So these are different kinds of organisms that are in our sewage. Let's see.
Oh, Marge, what are those?
These are...
Just keep turning the page.
Yeah, I'm just keep turning the page. So then some of these are pretty interesting shapes. That one looks like a rainbow. That one looks like a couple. That one looks like cereal floating the milk out. Shut up, Gabe. Yes, from this far away.
What else do we test?
Anybody in there?
It's weird.
Temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen.
Oh, that thing keeps on.
Come on, smarties.
What do you say?
Do you want to elaborate on what you're looking at there?
Bugs.
Bugs. So this is a suspension, and it's a sample from the paints, and they stirred it, and this is when it separates out from the water, and then all the other stuff sinks to the bottom. And he stirred it about like 5 minutes ago, and it's settled. So that's how you can tell it's a suspension, is because everything in it settles down all the solids.
I know, Joe. Because we're going to go out and use some testing.
Very triumphant on the killing of the mice.